Oh, welcome to my channel, Seated Life. Let's learn today concept of child-centered and progressive education. Child-centered education. Child-centered education is an approach in which the child is the center of the teaching learning process. The teacher acts as a facilitator, guide, and mentor rather than a lecturer. The word child-centered means the child is at the center of the entire teaching learning process. The teacher not act as a boss in the classroom, instead of acting as a facilitator, guide, and mentor. Now let's see the key features of child-centered education. Focus on the needs, interests, ability, and pace of each child means every child is unique. Learning is active based on experiences. Learning happens according to the child interest and ability. Encourage activities, curiosity, and critical thinking means student asks questions and explore ideas. Student participate in decision making and problem solving means activity, project, assignment, etc. Individual differences are respected means every child is unique, so we have to respect their abilities. In child-centered education, role of the teacher is facilitator and guide, not as a boss. Creates a positive learning environment in the classroom, so students learn actively. Encourage exploration and collaboration. Give assignment and project to do in group, so they will learn from each other. Provide opportunity for hands-on learning. Now next is progressive education. Progressive education is a philosophy that believes education should prepare children for real life through meaningful experiences. It was strongly influenced by John Dewey. Progressive education means children learn through the real life situations and experiences and learning by doing. First, they will do an experience with their activities. Now let's see the key features of progressive education. Learning by doing, activity-based and experience-based learning, democratic classroom environment, problem-solving, inquiry-based learning, cooperation rather than competition. Education should develop the whole child: physical, social, emotional, and intellectual. These are the key features in progressive education. Now we will see the one-liner questions. These are very important for the exam point of view. Let's see one by one. Child-centered education focuses on the learner, not the teacher. The teacher is a facilitator, not a knowledge transmitter. Progressive education emphasizes learning by doing. And John Dewey is known as the father of progressive education. Learning should be active, meaningful, and experience-based. Every child learns at a different pace. Assessment should improve learning, not only measure it. These are the one-liner questions. These are very important for the exam point of view, so go through it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe.